Jai Hind, Saraswati Sisukunj Vagwala Board Standard 5th, subject EVS. This is revision part 2, and in revision first you have seen question number 3A and question number 3B. Here today we are going to learn question number 2, that is answer the following question in one sentence. Here first one, who are Kalbelias. So as we all know, in first chapter we learned Kalbelias are snake charmers who can make snake dance by playing a bean, right? That is their tradition. Now let's see answer here. So answer is Kalbelias are snake charmers who can make the snake dance by playing a bean, right? So these are Kalbelias. This is their tradition. Okay, now let's see second number. Do people like to watch snake dance these days? No, we don't like to watch snake dance these days. Why? For entertainment we have television or TV, right? So the same sentence we have to write. Let's see answer now. Answer is no, people do not like to watch snake dance these days because everyone watches TV for entertainment, right? I hope you understand. Let's go for third number question. How are poisonous snakes made non-poisonous, right? Look, poisonous snake have teeth, that is poisonous, and there is a poison tube, right? So by removing the poison teeth and closing the poison tube, by this we can make poisonous snake non-poisonous. Okay, now let's see right answer. Answer is by removing their fangs and also by closing the tube of a poison in snake's mouth, we can make poisonous snakes non-poisonous, right? Do you understand? There are teeth which has poison, and poison tube is connected with that teeth. So by taking that teeth out, by removing the teeth and by closing the tube of poison, we can make poisonous snakes non-poisonous. Now see here, how many types of poisonous snakes are found in India? So there are 4 types of poisonous snakes which are found in India. How many? 4 types of snakes, right? So let's write answer. 4 types of poisonous snakes found in India, right? Okay, let's go for number 5. Write name of 4 types of poisonous snakes. So we have to write cobra, Russell's viper, so-scaled viper, and common crate, right? So these are 4 types of poisonous snakes which found in India. So we have to write that all 4 names. So let's write answer now. Answer is cobra, common crate, Russell's viper, and so-scaled viper. These 4 types of snakes which are poisonous and found in India. Now see here, what help us to taste different kinds of things? So as we all know, what help us? What is in your mouth? So tongue, that help us to taste different kinds of food. Let's write answer. Your answer is the tongue help us to taste different kinds of things, right? That we all know. Now let's see here, 7 number question. How many taste zones does the tongue have? So I told you in explanation there are 4 taste zones which present on your tongue. So that is, do you remember? Sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. So these 4 taste zones which are present on your tongue. So let's write now answer. So answer is the tongue has 4 taste zones: bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. So these 4 taste zones are present on your tongue. Now let's see 8 number question. Why should we chew food well? Why should we chew food well? So look, I told you that when you chew food, it becomes, it breaks down your food into small pieces, right? So if it will be small pieces, then it will be easy to digest. So we can say, we should chew food well so it get digest properly. Same sentence you have to write in answer. So let's see that answer. We should chew food well so it get digest easily, right? Now let's move on. 9 number question. What help us to digest starch? So as you all know, there is a tongue, and with that tongue saliva is present in your mouth, right? You have seen video that when you chew food, that saliva is get added into your food pieces, and that saliva will help to digest starch, or we can say carbohydrate. So that starch will digest in your mouth. When the digestion begins, the thing which get digested is starch, right? So now let's write answer. Saliva help us to digest starch. So easy, right? Just take a look of all answers. Let's continue with 10 number. From where does digestion begins? Okay, so your digestion begins from your mouth. As I told you, the first thing that first piece of food you will keep in your mouth, then your teeth will break it, right? Your digestion begins from the mouth, right? Now let's see answer. So answer is digestion begins from mouth, right? So let's go with 11 number question. Where does food go from mouth? So as you all know that organs of the digestive system, mouth, food pipe and then stomach, right? So if you'll keep your food into your mouth, it will pass from your food pipe, it will reach to the stomach. Many students are making mistake, they are writing food pipe, but no, your food will pass through food pipe, right? And it will reach to the stomach. So let's see answer. So your answer is food goes in stomach from mouth through food pipe, right? So now let's go for 12 number question. Write the name of the organs of the digestive system. So you have to write all the organs which is in the digestive system. We have to start from mouth, then food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and last one is your anus. So that all organs you have to write. Let's see answer. So your answer is mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So these are your organs of digestive system. Now let's go for 13 number. What happens to the food in mouth, right? So as you know that you're keeping your first piece of a food into your mouth, your teeth will break that food into pieces, then saliva gets added, and you know what will saliva do? It will digest starch. So this is the thing that happens in your mouth, right? So let's see answer now. Answer is digestion begins in the mouth, the teeth break food into pieces and saliva get added into food, right? As I explained you, this digestion begins in the mouth and then your teeth will break food and then saliva is added into your food. Now let's see for 14 number. What are signs of spoiled food? So food that is spoiled, right, it get decolorized. Decolorized means its color get changed, right? It will get bad smell, right, and it will taste bad. So these three things: decolorize, bad smell and bad taste. So these three things we have to write, right? Let's see answer. Answer is food that is spoiled, get decolorized, has bad smell and taste bad. Three things, right? Decolorize, bad smell and bad taste. Okay, now let's go for 15 number. What is food preservation? Food preservation means it is a method of preserving, or we can say storing food so it does not get spoiled, right? And it lasts for longer time, right? So after some days also you can use, that is your preservation, right? This is explanation of the preservation definition, but the actual word you have to write here, which is your definition. So let's see that definition. So see answer here. The method of preserving food so that it lasts longer without getting spoiled is called preservation. Now let's see 16 number question. What things are required to make mamidi, tandra or aam papad? So if you know, we required poles of casuarina tree, right? That is one more thing, that is mat, right? Then we require string which is made up of cotton husk, some sugar and jaggery. These many things are required to make mamidi, tandra means aam papad. So let's write that answer. A mat, poles of casuarina tree, strings made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar, right? So these things which are required to make aam papad, or we can say mamidi tandra. Okay, let's see 17 number. Name 3 food items which can be made with mango. So that is chutney, pickle, aam papad also you can write, and fourth one is mango shake, right? So here I said you about 4 food items, you can write 3 also. Let's see answer. Mango shake, pickle, chutney and aam papad. So this many food items you can make with this mango, right? So just take a look of all answers. Okay, so this was today's video about one sentence question answers. There are 17 question answers, right? So I hope that you are able to understand how to write one sentence question answer. Please write your worksheet properly, right? Thank you.